Okay, so in this video, we're going to compare Revolut and Monzo's most premium and expensive accounts. These are known as Revolut Metal, which costs £12.99 per month, and Monzo Premium, which is £15 per month. And for this, you get a metal card along with a number of other benefits such as insurance, greater fee-free banking, and other discounts and perks that we'll compare in this video. And while Revolut is available in a number of countries, Monzo Premium is only available here in the UK, so we'll just be comparing Monzo Premium to Revolut Metal's fees and benefits for UK account holders. I should probably mention that I have been using Revolut Metal for the last month, but I haven't used Monzo Premium. Although to make this video and to be able to properly compare the accounts and cards, I did register for it. And I must say, the unboxing experience of the Monzo Metal card, in my opinion, was superior to Revolut. Although this doesn't quantifiably measure the account and definitely shouldn't be a deciding factor, it was just something that I mentally noted when I opened my Monzo Metal card for the first time. Now the cards are obviously both made of steel. The Revolut card weighs 18 grams and comes in 5 available colors, including silver, gold, which I have, as well as space gray, black, and rose gold. You could also with Revolut receive either a MasterCard or Visa, and this isn't something you can decide, although in-app you can see which brand you'll receive. Monzo's card weighs 16 grams and is available only in white and as a MasterCard. They both are beautifully designed and certainly attention grabbing, although Revolut does have a far greater selection of colors which could swing your decision. Insurance is something that most premium or paid bank accounts are offering these days and is really at the heart of the value proposition for both of these accounts. They offer worldwide travel insurance, which includes winter sports, and Revolut's insurance covers people up to the age of 75 and Monzo is 70, which is likely why Monzo Premium is only available to people up to this age. Revolut's insurance is provided by Allianz and Monzo is AXA. Generally, they are pretty similar, although I would say Revolut's insurance is better. Although it doesn't have greater dental treatment cover, it does cover you for trips that are twice as long as Monzo, and you get greater sports equipment cover and delayed departure. So if you're under the age of 70, then obviously Revolut Metal would be for you, or if you take trips that are beyond 45 days or perhaps have expensive sports equipment like golf clubs. Otherwise, there isn't a huge difference between the two. Now, in a blog post published on the 20th of October, Monzo, and according to Consumer Intelligence, valued their travel insurance at £159, which to me seems a bit high. When I got a quote from Allianz, who provide Revolut's insurance for a similar package and one that's in my opinion is better than Monzo's, I was quoted at just £100 per year. Besides travel insurance, Monzo does offer device insurance, which Revolut does not, and this is provided by Assurant. It has an excess of £75 and covers a mobile up to the value of £2,000 and also includes accessories up to £300 and any unauthorized mobile charges such as phone calls and data usage that are made within the first 24 hours of the device being stolen. You can also claim twice a year. According to Monzo, this cover is valued at £97 per year, although I did find a number of similar insurance products on a comparison website that cost around £60. But according to Monzo and Consumer Intelligence, their travel and device insurance is valued at £256 per year. And while I do think we should take this number with a pinch of salt, it does in theory mean it's worth a lot more than Revolut. Which is funny really, because Monzo's travel insurance seems inferior and it's just their device insurance that gives them an edge. And I suppose could be a deciding factor for you. Although it's probably only a matter of time before Revolut start offering device insurance as well. Monzo is a licensed bank in the UK and FSCS protected, so they're able to provide deposit insurance on your main balance. Revolut does not provide deposit insurance on main balances, and because of this is considered less of a traditional bank and more of a prepaid debit card that has various benefits such as the insurance that we just spoke about. This means Monzo Premium has additional banking benefits, including cash and check deposits, and with Monzo Premium you get 5 fee-free cash deposits per month, which you can make at any of the 27,000 PayPoint locations. They also have virtual cards available, and while Monzo offers up to 5 of these, Revolut gives you up to 20, and that's not exclusive to Metal. In fact, it's actually available to all Revolut account holders, including the free account. For ATM withdrawals, Monzo Premium is totally free within the UK and EEA. Outside of this, you have a fee-free limit of £600, and after that, you'll incur a fee of 3% of the amount withdrawn. For Revolut Metal, you'll receive a fee-free limit of £800 worldwide, after which you'll pay a fee of 2%. So if you're not traveling outside the UK and EEA, then Monzo is obviously the better option, while anywhere outside of that, for example, Switzerland and the US, Revolut would be the better choice. When it comes to spending money internationally, regardless of your account, Monzo charges no fees and uses MasterCard's exchange rates. With Revolut, because you can hold multiple currencies, if you were to spend a currency that you didn't have with Revolut Premium and Metal between Monday and Friday, you would be able to spend without incurring a fee. If you were to do this at the weekend, you would incur an exchange rate margin fee of 1%. So when it comes to spending money internationally, both accounts are more or less the same, except if you don't hold the currency you're spending with Revolut and it's the weekend, then Monzo will likely be cheaper. For sending money internationally, Revolut Metal gives you 3 fee-free international payments. Although, just like spending internationally with Revolut, this allowance is for Monday to Friday, and any money you send on the weekends that requires currency exchange, regardless of your plan, will incur a slight fee. Monzo, across all of their accounts, provides international money transfer through Wise, who charge just a small fee and use only the real mid-market exchange rate. And while both Revolut and Monzo are pretty balanced, I would suggest if you are going to send money internationally, do check Monito.com first and use our comparison engine, just to see who the best provider would be for your transfer needs. It's free and may just save you some money. So if you send money internationally with Monzo Premium, you'll receive 0.3% cashback on the first £25,000 you send each year. So for every £1,000 you send, you'd get back £3, which is typically the fee of a transfer that size, so potentially you're looking at fee-free international transfers on your first 25k. Besides this, Monzo doesn't offer any other cashback, and while Revolut doesn't have cashback on international transfers, their Metal account does have 0.1% on card payments within Europe and 1% outside of Europe. The cashback that you do earn on card payments is also capped monthly at the cost of your account, which means with Metal you can earn up to £12.99 per month. What is not capped, however, is cashback earned on Revolut Stays, which is basically a platform similar to bookings.com where you can book accommodation. And I think this is a pretty great feature, especially because the prices on Revolut Stays are pretty competitive. Take this hotel for example. On Stays, it's £918 for 7 nights, so £131 per night. On Google, it's around the same price. Except if you booked it via Revolut Stays, you would receive £81 in cashback, and therefore it'd cost roughly £119 per night. This is potentially the cheapest way of booking this hotel, at least compared to Google. One thing to note, if you pay for accommodation at the time of booking, you immediately receive the cashback. But if you pay at the property, so when you get there, the cashback will arrive in your account the following month after you've checked out. While I was skeptical at first, I actually think Revolut Stays looks pretty good. And if you're still unsure whether to get Monzo Premium or Revolut Metal, and you frequently book accommodation, then this could be a deciding factor. With Monzo Premium, regular balances, so money you hold in your main account, can earn 1.5% interest up to £2,000. With Revolut, you don't earn interest on your main balance, but you can, like Monzo, earn interest on savings. With Revolut and through their vaults, you can earn up to 1% interest annually. Also, as this money would be deposited with a licensed bank, it would actually be FSCS protected. So unlike your main account, with Revolut, any money you deposit into one of their vaults would actually have deposit insurance. With Monzo, and like your main balance, if you just have a regular pot, you can earn 1.5% on balances up to £2,000. Now, what I mean by regular pot is that this is one that isn't classified as a Monzo savings pot. These savings pots are available to all account holders and are provided by third-party banks such as Paragon and Oak North, and depending on the term of the savings pots, you can actually earn interest up to 1.85%. But with Monzo Premium, the difference is you can earn 1.5% on regular pots. And I actually believe you can have as many as 20. So in theory, you could deposit as much as £40,000 and earn 1.5% interest. And this is certainly a better proposition than Revolut. So if saving money is important to you, then Monzo might be the better choice. This is where Monzo and Revolut have their differences and could appeal to more specific use cases. Revolut has stocks, crypto and commodities trading, which Monzo does not offer. Revolut Metal also comes with purchase protection up to £10,000 for a year. So anything you buy with the account that's damaged or stolen is covered by Revolut, which is very much like Section 75 of the Consumer Credit Act, and Monzo doesn't provide this. Although they did recently launch Monzo Flex, which is kind of like Klarna and essentially like purchasing something with a credit card that does have purchase protection. So with Monzo, if you're not using Flex, you don't get purchase protection, and nor do they provide trading facilities. They do provide a credit score tracker, which I suppose could be useful, although it's just displaying your TransUnion score, which you can access for free. And honestly, it's a bit shameful that they even consider this a premium feature. They do also have exclusive offers such as cheaper RAC cover and discounts on brands like HelloFresh and Patch Plants. Both Revolut and Monzo do offer discounted lounge access, and Revolut also includes restaurants. This is through loungekey.com, and as far as I can tell, Revolut offers access for £20 and Monzo £24. With Monzo, I also couldn't get any results to try and look a bit deeper into this, which is obviously not useful, while Revolut's in-app lounge finder is pretty useful. It displays the nearest available lounges, and you can also search for them globally. I don't know what else there is to really mention and compares. The other benefits of the accounts are a little wishy-washy, so to speak. For example, with Monzo Premium, you get an advanced roundup feature, so you can not only round up payments, but you can choose to have them multiplied by 2, 5, and 10, which Revolut also offers, but for all account holders. And with Monzo Premium, you can also combine your spending analytics with your external bank accounts, which will give you full visibility over your entire spending, and I guess could be really insightful, but I don't know if I want to share all of that information with Monzo. So depending on your privacy concerns, this may or may not be beneficial. Obviously, the choice of Revolut Metal or Monzo Premium is based upon your personal preferences. My opinion is that Revolut Metal is the superior account. It's £2 cheaper per month, and while they may not offer device insurance, their travel insurance is certainly better, and you get greater fee-free ATM withdrawals worldwide, cashback to help offset the cost of the account, including Revolut Stays, which is unlimited and could not only pay for the account, but also save you money on accommodation. With Monzo Premium, the main benefits appear to be the additional phone insurance, the 1.5% interest on your main balance and regular pots, as well as the cashback on international money transfers, and also the fee-free cash deposits and withdrawals. Although Monzo says that depending on how you use your account, and this is likely to apply to you if you're using Monzo as your regular bank account, the free standard account may actually receive fee-free ATM withdrawals inside the EEA and UK, so you wouldn't even need premium for that. Otherwise, yes, you get advanced roundups and a credit score tracker or discounted plants, but that's all really just fluff to try and add value to this account. Just a quick note before we finish, if you do decide to cancel after registering for either of the accounts, you will likely incur a fee, especially if you ordered a metal card. This fee may vary and could depend upon account usage and how long you've had it, so do make sure you're confident the account is right for you before registering. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know if you have any questions or if you're currently using either Revolut Metal or Monzo Premium, as I'd love to hear your thoughts on the accounts. And please give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you on the next video. Goodbye.